The S Hill Villa is located on the slope of Tuan Chau Island, near Paradise Bay Beach, Vietnam. The house appears as a series of 4 stacked blocks. The area boasts panoramic views from the hill to the beautiful landscape of Ha Long Bay, one of Vietnam's most stunning wonders. The entrance to the house is from the highest point of the terrain, sloping towards the sea. The house features an open space connecting an infinity pool and 6 bedrooms, all with a sea view. Instead of a block crossing the terrain, the house design introduces an empty space along the entrance to the pool, providing a marvelous experience, with an infinite view through the pool and contemplating the beauty of Ha Long Bay from the large elevated platform. The public space block is connected parallelly to this large patio, and the sliding door system can fully open to the pool, creating a blend of indoor and outdoor spaces, defining the entire first floor as open and a balcony. The staircase block with openings on both sides allows for a pleasant journey with incredible views on both sides. Stacked above the public block and connected to the staircase block are the main bedrooms overlooking the sea. From the hills, the strong presence of the house can be perceived, resembling a large stone block embedded in the earth. The building's base is constructed with local stone, allowing the house to harmonize with the landscape and the surrounding gravel.